Have you ever wondered how food is prepared on a plane? Do flight attendants cook in the sky? Let's take you inside the galley, the airplane kitchen. Nope. Flight attendants don't cook food on the plane. The meals are already made on the ground at special kitchens near the airport. That's why you will see airlines hiring catering staff from time to time. For instance, Qatar Airline has been hiring kitchen staff from all parts of the world actively these past few months. The meals are packed and loaded into the aircraft before takeoff. Cabin crew don't cook, but they heat, prepare, and serve. Here's what they do. Take meals from special carts, called meal trolleys. Use onboard ovens to heat the food. No flames, just hot air. Set up trays with the right meal, drink, and cutlery. Double-check special meals like vegetarian, baby, or gluten-free, and serve it with a smile. The galley is where all the magic happens. It's small but smart. It has ovens for heating food, coffee makers and boiling water units, chillers to keep drinks cold, drawers with snacks, trays, and cutlery. Cabin crew know exactly where everything is, like a mini restaurant in the sky. Cabin crew follow a meal service plan. It tells them when to start heating, when to serve drinks, and how to manage time if the flight is short. They have to move fast, stay polite, and keep everything clean, all while flying. So no, cabin crew don't cook your meal. But they do make it ready, serve it fresh, and do it with heart. The next time you enjoy your in-flight meal, remember, it was all thanks to the catering crew.